let's dive in. We're tackling something pretty common today, that feeling when your business just feels messy, right?
Mhm.
Like, picture this entrepreneur, let's call him Akash. He's totally bogged down, overflowing inbox, deadlines just flying by, sales are kind of flat, supply chain.
Yeah.
Who knows?
Yeah, total chaos. It puts a real cap on growth.
Exactly. So the big question for this deep dive is, how does someone like Akash or, maybe you listening, get back in control and actually build something scalable?
That's the million-dollar question, isn't it? Hitting that point where just working harder doesn't cut it anymore. You need structure.
Right.
So our goal here is to look at two key tools: ERP, that's Enterprise Resource Planning, and CRM, Customer Relationship Management Software.
Okay.
We want to unpack how these aren't just acronyms, but actual tools that can shift a business from, well, chaos management to real proactive growth.
All right. ERP first then. Enterprise Resource Planning. What does that actually do?
Think of it as the central nervous system for the business internally. It connects all the different pieces: planning, your inventory, finance, operations.
All of them.
Yeah. Brings it all together in one system instead of, sales doing its thing over here and finance over there, disconnected. ERP links them, creates one source of truth.
Okay. I can see how that tackles the messy documents problem Akash has. Everything in one spot. What about, like, speed? Do things get faster?
Oh, absolutely. Big time.
Right.
Because you automate stuff, cut down on manual entry, data just flows. Businesses using ERP often see their processes speed up by around 23%.
23% faster. Wow. That would definitely help with those missed deadlines.
Yeah, huge difference.
Okay, so that's the internal engine ERP.
Okay.
What about CRM? Customer Relationship Management.
Right, so if ERP looks inward, CRM looks outward. It's all about managing your interactions with customers and potential customers, leads.
So organizing contacts.
More than that, it's about organizing your leads, yeah, but also automating marketing efforts, tracking communication, managing the sales pipeline, improving customer service. It helps you build and, crucially, maintain those relationships.
So it's proactive,
Uh-huh.
not just a database.
Exactly. It helps you nurture leads, follow up automatically, personalize things, and the impact can be pretty significant.
Right.
Well, studies show CRM tools can help boost sales by roughly 29%, and get this, increased revenue per salesperson by something like 41%.
41%. Okay. That would definitely solve Akash's lagging sales issue. That's a game changer.
It really can be.
So ERP handles the inside, CRM handles the outside. Both sound powerful alone, but I'm guessing bringing them together is where things really click.
You absolutely nailed it. That's the sweet spot: integration.
Okay.
When ERP and CRM talk to each other seamlessly, that's transformative. Imagine a dashboard showing real-time data. A sales order comes into the CRM, and it instantly updates inventory in the ERP, which then might trigger purchasing or production.
Automatically. So no more lag between sales and operations. No more surprises.
Precisely. That real-time flow is key. And the combined benefits, they stack up. Businesses often see cost cuts around 30% just from better efficiency.
30%. Wow.
And decision-making gets faster, maybe 40% faster, because you have the right info right when you need it. Think about Akash reacting quickly to market shifts.
That agility sounds vital for scaling up. Any other big wins from integrating them?
Yeah, definitely. Accuracy gets a huge boost. Inventory accuracy, for example, can jump from maybe 70% up to 97% because everything's synced.
Okay, 70 and 97. That's massive for managing stock and supply chains.
Huge. And then there's customer loyalty. When sales, service, and operations are all on the same page, you give better, faster, more personalized service. That can push customer retention way up, maybe from an average of 60% to potentially 87%.
Keeping customers happy and making the business run smoother.
It's all connected.
So going back to Akash, wrestling with the documents, the supply chain, the sales, this integrated system sounds like exactly what he needed to get things aligned and actually scale smart, like we said at the start.
Precisely. It aligns the internal engine with the external interactions. It builds that solid, efficient foundation you need for sustainable growth, and importantly, strong customer relationships.
Okay, so the core takeaway seems pretty clear. If you're feeling that business chaos and want to break through, integrating ERP and CRM is a really powerful way forward. It's about creating this connected, data-driven machine.
Absolutely. Which brings us to the final thought for you listening today. Given what we've talked about, the potential boost to speed, sales, accuracy, customer loyalty, which specific part of your business right now do you think could gain the most from this kind of integration? Something to chew on as you think about your own path to growth.